So number 4 is an interesting one, because they tell me I have a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided figure, and then they tell me AB, right? This side up here is parallel, right? That's what that means, parallel to CD, right? And immediately, what jumps out at me is I'm gonna fill in these parallel lines. I'm gonna extend them, right? Parallel lines. And then if you look at that diagonal, if you look at that diagonal AC, that's our transversal, right? Whenever we have parallel lines cut by a transversal, okay, we know that these alternate interior angles, right? Look for that Z, I'll do it in blue. Look for that Z, and then these angles here will be congruent, right? So right off the bat, oops, because I have these parallel lines cut by this green transversal, I know these angles here are congruent, okay? And then I'm going to look at another fact. It says angle ABC, angle ABC. This angle here is congruent to angle CDA, this angle here. And they want me to show that this top triangle is congruent to this bottom triangle. And I know I'm looking for one of these 3 facts, one of these 5 postulates that's composed of 3 facts. Given that I've got an angle and an angle already, I'm going to rule out anything with 2 sides or that doesn't have 2 angles. And it's just a question of, is this an angle side angle, or is this an angle angle side? And hopefully you'll see that AC is a side that's in both triangles. So this side is congruent to itself by the reflexive property. Okay, so I've got angle angle side congruent to, right? So if I start here, angle angle side congruent to angle angle side. All right, that's the angle angle side postulate. So boom, there it is. I just also want to point out they gave us a freebie here. I keep on circling, I don't mean that. This is a freebie because ASS or SSA, that's the donkey postulate. You can't prove triangles congruent with ASS, with ass, or backwards, right? It's false. You know, it's wrong when it's spelled ass, and it's still ass backwards. Okay? So this one would be AAS because this side is opposite one of our angles. It's not included.